Hi guys, I'm Matt, selling my 1973 GMC Canyon Lands motorhome with 60,000 original miles outside of Phoenix, Arizona. Doing a little walkthrough here, guys. The exterior is in pretty good shape. As you can see, there is some areas where it's starting to kind of chip and peel a little bit. Overall, it is still in good shape. It will need some attention over time, but with the new owner taking over what you want to do with your vision with it. But everything is perfectly intact. There's no dents. There's no scratches from what I can see. Everything works. Tail lights work, headlights work. All the top indicator lights work. Has brand new AC units on top that are fully functioning. As you can see, just a couple areas where the paint is starting to chip a bit. We've got fully rebuilt air suspension, which is awesome. It works great. I have seen with these models where the air suspension happens to be a problem issue. It was recently rebuilt, functions perfect. Coming in here, where I think it shines the most is the interior, which is, over the last few years I've had it, is where I put most of my time and effort. As you can see, the couches, the dinette and everything has been completely reupholstered. We've got a butcher block top here that I think is awesome. And again, if you're familiar with these models, this is removable and this folds down into a twin bed. But I think this is great. Really homey, very comfortable. Up here, we've got the original orange seating that came with the RV originally. Got a nice felt cover over here, and it's overall in pretty good shape. Could use a little TLC, but it's still holding really well. As far as mechanical upgrades, that's also where I put a ton of energy into, about $5,000 in mechanical repairs. We've got rebuilt carburetor, flushed the engine. We got a new power inverter. As I said earlier, we rebuilt the air suspension, rebuilt the forward control arms, fresh oil change, as well as coming over to the kitchen area here. Got a new faucet, new backsplash. That's a real tile backsplash. Refinished the countertop here and did a fresh coat of paint on the cabinets that had already been painted prior to me purchasing it. Coming in the back here, I can show you where the power inverter is. That is brand new. And everything runs great. In the back here, we've got, this is a brand new mattress, brand new sheet set. Again, that can be changed out should you choose. And there's the original, the doghouse little back engraving there. That is starting to peel, and that's obviously removable should you choose. But overall, I think it's in pretty excellent shape in the interior, again, with the new AC units. Needs a little bit of TLC, but it's basically there.
So how does this drive, Matt?
It honestly drives incredibly smooth. With all the work that we did to it, it actually fires up and runs better than my Jeep that I own. It handles incredibly well for you know, a 26 footer. It honestly feels more like a big bus than it does like an RV or anything. You know, I've driven box trucks. I used to operate heavy machinery, and this is easier to handle than a lot of those things. But it cruises right along. It sounds good. You got good acceleration on it. The brakes work very well. Again, mechanically, I think it's perfect. It's a beautiful day today.
Yeah, it's a great day in Phoenix for driving a vintage motorhome.
Suspension's great. Being as old as it is, it really does ride well.